Now, iOS 14 brung a lot of new features, but one of the main features that everybody's going crazy about are the widgets and the customized icons. Now, fun little fact, the customization icons has been around since iOS 13. Like for example, I have my iPhone 10 right here. This is running iOS 13.5 and you can still run the shortcut and have a bookmark. So it's been a thing and now here it is mainstream on iOS 14 alongside with the widgets. I know those of you guys that have an Android or if you have a jailbroken device, you guys are probably rolling your eyes right now because we've been doing this for years. But let's just sit down and just enjoy the customization right here on our iPhone natively without any jailbreaks or getting the Android or whatnot. I'm not sure if Apple is going to embrace this, but just like the mouse support on the iPad, who knows? They could embrace it and improve it and allow third-party developers to create their own app icons. But that is just un-Apple-like. Apple like to have their icons and have everybody have the same looking devices. But what a time to be alive, to be able to see everybody's iPhone looks different for once. But yeah, this is my setup. It's nothing too crazy, very simplistic, very minimal, black and white, gray. I'll throw this wallpaper link in the description down below. And I think it just looks clean. Now the other pages I haven't finished yet, but first things first, let me show you guys Flip Clock. I think it matches the theme of my icons. And having this photo widget here, I think it just matches nicely along with the mountains here, the illustration on the mountains and having a picture of the mountain there. You know, I really thought this one through. And even with the icons, I went online, I searched up some icons, some black and white icons, and I gotta tell you guys, it's very tedious to do this. In case you guys don't know, if you want to customize your icons the original way, you just gotta launch up the shortcut apps. If you don't have it, you gotta search it up on the App Store. It looks just like this. It says shortcuts and has Apple underneath it. Make sure that's installed. Open it up. You want to tap on the plus icon on the top right. And then on the bottom here, where it says search for apps and actions, you want to type in open app. And once you do that, you tap on shoes and you just select the app that you would like to customize the icon. Let's do Adult Swim. And we're going to tap on the three dots on the top right, and then we're going to name the shortcut. This is not going to appear on the home screen just yet. You just, I don't know, name it anything if you like. And then after that, you want to just tap on add to home screen, and then you want to tap on the icon, and then you can select from your photo roll. Let me just do this real quick. I'm going to share with you guys all these home screen setups in a little bit, but let's just say, for example, I just want to use this picture just for an example. I tap on choose. And then for the shortcut, this is going to appear on your home screen this time. You can have it blank or you can have a text, but in this case, let's have it blank. We're going to tap on add and that's it. And you got to do that for all of the apps that you would like to customize. And now when you open up that application, it's going to open up Adult Swim. Now, if you guys notice, the animations are slightly faster because I have reduced motion enabled. That's going to quickly have the animation, so it's going to bypass, not really bypass, but it's going to launch up the shortcuts application and then jump into your Adult Swim app or whatever app that you selected. But if you want to enable that, you want to go into settings, accessibilities, and you want to go into motions. If I can find motion, oh, there you go, motion right here. And you want to tap on reduce motion. So it's not going to be as flashy. It's just going to fade and then whatever the case may be, it just fades. But that's faster than the animations. So yeah, and all the apps pretty much work. I have my photo, just like that. Going back to the widget, this is photo widget. You guys probably heard of this before. This is the way how you can customize your photos and put it on the home screen. I installed this new widget called Dawn. I think this is a better calendar application because it gives you a quote here on the left and then gives you the actual calendar on the right. I still have motivation. I still have my Spark. Everything is pretty much exactly the same as my last video, but I just customized my home screen right here on the front page so you guys can see. Now, yeah, it's a lot of time to customize each icon, but there's a faster way. And I'm going to throw this link in the description. This is called iSkin. You just basically download the profile and the icons are going to install, but the icons are still going to remain double. It's 100% safe. I used it, but it didn't have the theme I was looking for. You can see all the icon packs here. So for example, let's say I want to install Big Sur, all of the Big Sur icons. Alright, so once you find a theme you like, you want to go down, you want to tap on application icons. In this case, it's 46 icons, which is a lot. And you're going to go down, you're going to see all the icons here. You have Discord, Apple Health, all the icons here. Just verify that. We're going to go back up and then we're going to tap on show quick actions. And then we're going to tap on select all. Now, you can remove the icon labels. In this case, you guys know me, I like to remove all the labels, make it nice and simplistic. And then after that, we're gonna go all the way down towards the bottom, and we're gonna tap on generate theme. It's gonna generate the theme, and then you wanna tap on allow. After you tap on allow, you wanna go into the settings app, and it should say profile downloaded. We want to tap on that, but if you don't see that, you got to go into settings. Let's go back for a second. We're going to go into settings, then we're going to go into general, and then we're going to go into profiles, and then you're going to see it right here. So Big Sur right here, and we're going to tap on install, entering your passcode, tap on install one more time, profile install. So you tap on done, and now when you go into your home screen, you have all your icons right there. Now, mind you, they just double icons. It's exactly like doing the shortcuts, but it's just adding a shortcut. So it's still using Siri shortcuts, but it's like it's almost instantaneously thanks to those reduced motion. So let me turn off reduced motion so I can show you guys. All right, so I just turned off reduced motion. Let's tap on Instagram. So it opens up and then it just bloop, it pops right into Instagram. Ooh. All right, so yeah, that's how you do it without using Siri shortcuts, and I think this is easier, it's safe, and this is amazing. But the only reason why I did it the old-fashioned way is because I couldn't find an all-black icon wallpaper, and there was one, but it wasn't a true black. Now, for example, if you want to remove all these icons and you want to go back to normal, you want to go into settings, and then you want to go down into general, and then you want to go to profiles. And then you want to remove the Big Sur profile. We're going to tap on remove, entering your passcode yet again, and then tap on remove once again. And then that profile is gone. So now you're back to regular iOS. Well, it's regular iOS, but those icons are removed. So yeah, it's really good. I like that site a lot. I'm going to throw a link in the description to it. And everything is free. You don't have to pay a nickel. You don't have to pay a dime. See, look, they had this dark theme. Look, you guys see it's like colors still on there. I didn't want no colors. I want everything black and white. But hey, this might float your boat. Like, look at this. So many icon packs for free. You have the iOS 6 one. And it's just so easy. It's just 1, 2, 3, a couple of taps, and it's just like it's done. So in case you guys don't know how to put on widgets, you just tap on an empty space, and then you tap on the plus icon on the top left. So I have Hey Weather, I have Mono Widgets, so you guys can see, sub to SimplyPops. So basically the Mono Widget, you could put in any text you're choosing, whatever you like. I have Buddy Watch, I have Clock Face. Clock Face, I'm going to actually put that on. You guys see that nice simplistic clock there. I have Zones, so you have these, these little bars here. So it's basically a workout app. How y'all gonna ring the doorbell and walk away? Come on, man. So many widgets to choose from. I'm gonna throw a link in the descriptions to all of them. To this day, there's still widgets coming out, still being updated. And like I said in the beginning, this is just amazing how Apple even has widgets on iOS and be able to customize your icons. Man. And yeah, guys, that's basically it. I just want to update you guys on my iOS 14 home screen. So if you guys did enjoy today's video, I appreciate it with a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe with notifications on for more iOS and iPhone content. And make sure you guys comment down below. Your feedback is always appreciated. Alright guys, until next time, have a simple day. Peace.